Can you talk about your cars?
My
Saan
daddy gave me from this a lot from my toys.
Asan yung favorite mo?
Ito yung white one. Yung dami,
Yung white
dami,
one.
dami,
How about me? Can you give me one?
this one?
Oh, this one. Because this is a pink one.
You
How
like
about the white one? I also like this. Can I have this?
that?
Why?
Kasi I say red and yellow.
Huh?
Red and yellow.
What do you mean? Can I have the white one?
No. My daddy gave me this one.
Oh, how about this? Who gave you this?
It was daddy.
Who's this for?
Daddy gave it for me.
Huh? Is this also for you?
Not.
What do you call this toy car?
It's from Cassie. Cassie played this kanina. You need to use that first.
Okay, so what do you call this toy car? It's Cassie's car.
Yes.
How about this one? Who gave this to you? What's that? What's his name?
Chase.
Chase.
My daddy gave me this one.
I think it's mommy who gave you that.
No, it was Daddy Billy that.
No, it's
from-
mommy.
No!
Ay, that's so bad.
My daddy Billy that from myself.
Where did he buy that?
Some mall.
Sa mall?
Mm.
Hindi ba sa Divisoria?
Mm.
Oh,
She found it. The guy tapon. She's the guy tapon the boy was tapon and my daddy gave me that.
oh, so he didn't buy that. He just pulled it from where?
Some mall.
Sa mall talaga. Namulot si daddy ng toy sa mall.
It's from not somebody.
How about the blue ones? Oh, how about this? Who gave this to you?
It was daddy.
Lahat na lang kay daddy. So what does mommy buy you? What did mommy buy for you? Is there anything that mommy bought?
Yes, that one that kumot from me.
Ah, the kumot. Can you show the kumot? What kind of kumot is that?
It's Spider-Man.
Spider-Man kumot. Do you like that?
Yes,
What else? What else did mommy buy?
this one.
Saan?
Si daddy Billy that.
Kay daddy talaga. Oo, kay daddy naman talaga kasi lahat ng toy car. Mommy doesn't buy toy car, no? What does mommy buy lang?
Your toys lang.
Anong toys ni mommy?
Yung nakakanina na buy mo yung self mo.
What did I buy for myself?
Toys, dami toys.
What kind of toy?
Three toys. Three toys.
Anong 3 toys?
One, a tiny toys, wishes.
Huh?
A tiny small squishy.
Ah, mommy buys squishy.
The
The tiny squishy, tiny lang talaga. Di ba mommy buys big squishy din?
Yes, it's from me. Sa akin yun. I play that sa'yo. And I came happy sa'yo.
Oh, na-happy ka pag mama buys you toys?
The squishy one, ganun.
Ito din oh. I think mommy bought this. I think we won this in we won that in Time Zone. You remember? You
Not,
got-
it's from Baby Soya again.
It's from saan?
I believe this one's a Baby Soya sa doon.
Ah, sa Baby Soria pala yan. I remember having a squishy na with a sound from Time Zone. You remember that?
Mama, Mama, I want that, Mama. I came happy from that.
Why?
Kasi I want to get that. And you not give me that.
Oh, sorry na. Oh, what else can we talk about? What is your favorite toy?
This,
Ah,
this.
all
this,
your
this,
ano nga
this,
tawag dito
this,
sa mga toys na to? Hot Wheels.
this
Do you
one.
like Hot Wheels?
Mm.
How about this? Do you like this? Oh, yung kainin. That's dirty.
Anak kan. Ganun. Ganun yun.
Ganon yon. What is your favorite food, Eli?
Green rice.
Green rice. That's pauchin. Shark's fin with green rice. For Eli and Cassie, that's their favorite food in the food court. What else do you want? You like ice cream or French fries?
What this?
Yes.
No, Mama. You didn't come with this. I buy this one.
Huh?
I buy this one.
I think I bought that.
Not I buy this one.
Do you have money?
Not.
Do you have money?
Not.
Oh, how come you bought that? How did you buy that if you don't have money?
I get from artist coins.
Ano ba yan? You always get Ate's coins. Konti nga lang yung coins ni Ate. Kinukuha mo pa.
Mama, I couldn't buy coins. And I don't have coins.
You don't have coins? Daddy has lots of coins, diba? In his piggy bank. Can we ask Daddy to
Mama.
buy
Mama.
toys for you from his piggy bank?
Not. He didn't buy me that. Mama, we play hide and seek.
Okay, let's play hide and seek. Let's end the say bye guys. Thank
Bye,
you for
guys.
watching. Sige na, you say like and subscribe.
Why subscribe?
Like and subscribe.
Bye.